Hello Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthy recipes. So I'm filming in my kitchen today and usually I don't because it's a disaster, but this morning I really wanted pancakes. And you guys know that I love sheet pan pancakes, but I did not have enough ingredients to make them. So I'm making a single serving really. So this morning I wanted pancakes, but I wanted pancakes that had a lot of protein and a good amount of fiber. So we're making zucchini bread cottage cheese pancakes. I had a zucchini, and to be honest guys, if I had a carrot, I probably would have used a carrot also. So you can use either one. So we are going to add also a little bit of protein powder, half a serving. I don't like to use a full serving because I just feel it's overpowering in terms of flavor. So I'm trying a new protein powder, guys, which is the New Zealand brand. It's a whey isolate, and I just want to test it out with my gut, and it seems to be okay. So and I'm using the French vanilla flavor, and it's actually quite nice, and it actually blends quite nicely as well. So that's kind of my recommendation right now, but you guys use, you know, whatever you like. Also, you don't have to use it. If you don't, you're getting over 36 to 38 grams of protein at about 350 calories. With the addition of the protein powder, we're looking at about 50 grams of protein in one shot, which is so great. It's a very simple recipe. We're blending everything, and then we're just gonna fold in the grated zucchini. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. So let's learn how to make these really delicious zucchini bread cottage cheese pancakes. Let's go over the ingredients for the recipe. We will need 1 small to medium-sized zucchini that I have washed thoroughly, and I have grated and removed the extra moisture. We will need a 1/4 cup of rolled oats, 1/4 cup of almond flour, and a tablespoon of ground flax. 1/2 cup of cottage cheese. This is 2% lactose free. This is 1/2 serving of protein powder. This is a vanilla. We will need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using 1 egg plus 1/3 cup of egg whites, or you'll need 3 whole eggs. Plus 1/2 teaspoon of good quality vanilla. That's Sassy Kathy's. We are going to grab our blender, and we're going to add our cottage cheese, our eggs, protein powder, which is optional, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt, vanilla, and our dry ingredients. Smaller bowl would have been better. We are going to blend on high for about a minute until the mixture is nice and smooth. Don't overmix. That's what it'll look like. And now we will add our grated zucchini. You could also add some toasted pecans or raw pecans, raw walnuts, a couple tablespoons of chocolate chips, completely up to you. And we're just going to give that a good mix. And we are ready for our sauté pan. I added just a little bit of butter, and we're going to make 4 large pancakes. Each pancake will take about 3 to 4 minutes total to cook. Once you see some bubbles, it's time to flip. And we'll give the second side about a minute or so. And we'll do that again 3 more times. You could also do a combination of zucchini and carrot if that's what you like, if that's what you have. Really depends on what you have in your fridge. You could also use a small carrot, about 1/2 cup's worth, and make a carrot cake inspired pancake. and we're ready to eat. Enjoy these high protein with 50 plus grams of protein plus high fiber, 7 grams of protein, zucchini bread cottage cheese pancakes. They are absolutely delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these zucchini bread cottage cheese pancakes, let me know in the comments below. The ingredients and measurements will be in the description box as well as in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy baking.